Hello, the little bee. We got some chicks in toilet paper rolls. Because we're weird. We're weird here, Bean. You know? Yeah. He knows. I think he sees a birdie. I saw a birdie. He whipped his head back real fast. So many flying chickens. Mr. Baby Bean. He's like, I'm back in bed because you bore me, Mama. Look, it's a big golden egg. Hey y'all, look, it's a toilet paper forest. And there's the baby in his bed going to sleep. Notice there's a piece of litter under his one toe. Look at that delicious looking little kitty foot. So cute. Aww. Come back. Yum yum yum. Yummy yummy yummy. Yum yum yum. Yummy yummy yummy. The food is yummy. What? Oh, you're so cute. What? Are you hungry? Butterbee. Butters. It's not time to eat yet. Not dinner time yet, buddy. Hear the birds?